just want to make a quick video on where I am with my shop. I got the bench turned around. I'm getting this bench here ready to put over there. I got the other bench cut down. As you can see, all the drawers from this bench are up over there. One of the big obstacles is this outlet. It was attached here like this, and if I left it there, then the cords coming out would mean that this bench wouldn't be able to get as close to the wall as possible. It'd have to be out almost like 6 inches because of the extension cords plugging in there. So what I want to do is I took it off the wall here, and I want to mount it this way. So I came up with an idea of making an L bracket out of two of the pieces, two pieces of 2x4 that I had cut off of the back of the legs back there. So I have these two pieces. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it this way. I'm actually going to cut one of these 2x4s down. You know what? Maybe I won't have to do that either. I'm going to use one of the 2x4s on top, and then I can always cut that down to the size of the, whatchamacallit. Yeah, as you can see, this is a complete mess. Let me see. I got all these scraps over here. Instead of cutting a 2x4 down, I could probably use this. I think I will. Okay. So 2x4 and one of these there. I just changed it on the fly. And then I'm going to cut these sides down so that I can push the bench up as close as possible, and my outlets will be on top, and I can have my extension cords just going straight down. Okay, so I can't film all of this because I just don't have the room right now. So I'll film little pieces as I go and show you what I'm doing.